Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's start learning Chinese characters for body parts. In this series, we'll focus on the basic ones that describe different parts of our body. Today, we're going to explore the Chinese character shǒu, which means hand. Sometimes, it also conveys the idea of doing something by hand or refers to someone who is skilled at a certain task. Its meaning depends on the words it appears in. For example, 左手 means left hand. 手掌 means palm. Here, 手 refers to the physical hand. 手法 means technique, method. 手段 refers to means or methods, sometimes with a strategic or negative sense depending on context. In these words, 手 refers to skills or techniques. 手稿 means a handwritten manuscript. 手书 means a handwritten letter. Here, 手 suggests something personally made or written by hand. 棋手 means a chess player. 能手 means an expert, someone highly skilled. In these examples, 手 refers to a person who is skilled at something. The character, shǒu, is an ancient Chinese character with its origins in oracle bone script. In early inscriptions, people drew a symbol that resembled the shape of a hand with 5 fingers to represent the idea of hand. Over time, this pictorial form slowly evolved into the written character we use today. Let's practice reading it together. 手 shǒu 手 The character, shǒu, is a single component character made up of 4 strokes, a left falling stroke, a short horizontal line, a long horizontal line, and a curved downward hook. It may look simple, but it's actually not that easy to write well. Don't go anywhere. Let's learn how to write shǒu together. We follow the writing rule from top to bottom. First, write a left falling stroke. Notice that this stroke is not very steep, it's rather flat. Then write a short horizontal stroke beneath it. This horizontal stroke should be slightly shorter than the overall width of the first stroke. Next comes the third stroke, a long horizontal line. Finally, start from the center of the first stroke and write a curved hook downward. This stroke is somewhat similar to a vertical hook, but it isn't straight. It curves gently. Pay close attention to these details. If your character starts to look like any of these incorrect shapes, something went wrong. Did you get it right? The character, shǒu, is also a very important radical. When it appears as a radical, it usually sits on the left side of a character like this. You might notice that it looks a little different from the full character, and that's on purpose. As a radical, it's written in a simplified form with 3 strokes: a short horizontal stroke, a vertical hook, and a rising stroke. The stroke order is horizontal, vertical hook, rising stroke. When used inside a character, this hand radical should look slim and narrow, not too wide or bulky. And here's something cool. Many characters with this radical are related to hand movements or actions. Keep this radical in mind. You'll see it very often as we continue learning Chinese characters. Now, let's learn this word, 水手. Try guessing what this word means. Here's a hint. It refers to a profession. And remember, we learned that shǒu can sometimes refer to someone skilled at something. So you might guess that 水手 must be someone skilled at working with water. Yes, 水手 means sailor. Did you guess it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.